I hope you've enjoyed this deep dive into Flex and following me through this training. I did want to just recap a few essential elements to help ensure your success. The first is to keep it as simple as possible. It can be tempting to start with complex advanced grids and elaborate container structures. However, it's often just not necessary and can end up making the process cumbersome and overly complicated. Instead, we recommend starting with as few elements as possible and building from there. The second is to be sure you're doing the majority of your editing on the primary master breakpoint, the breakpoint with the crown. You'll no doubt end up slipping up on this once or twice, and it's just something that happens to all of us. But after a while of clicking back to that top level breakpoint, it'll quickly become second nature. The third point is to make use of inner columns and advanced grids to hold content together and to know the difference between the two. Inner columns stack content within themselves vertically or horizontally, and the advanced grid allows for freeform design. And lastly, do not feel like you need to convert your entire site to Flex immediately. If specific aspects of your site are giving you challenges on other breakpoints, such as, say, your navigation, then that might be a good place to start working with Flex. But remember, there's no obligation to convert an entire site to Flex once you start, and you are able to combine regular sections with Flex sections on a site as needed. That'll do it for our Essential Flex training series. My name is Norma Durkee, and thank you so much for always supporting Without Code. We hope you have fun exploring Flex.